Next type of trophic movement, that is thigmotropism. Thigmo, touch. The plants which are showing the thigmotropism, the plant part is very stimulus towards the touch. Thigmotropism is a type of tropism where the directional growth movement of a plant part in response to the touch of an object. Mainly, thigmo means touch. The plant part is responding towards the stimulus. Here touch becomes the stimulus. That plant part, it takes the support, it curls down or it curls around and it winds up. That is winding, curling is nothing but a response. Mainly thigmotropism, we can see the plants which are having the very weak stem. The plant part, the plants which have the weak stem. Mainly in the creepers and climbers, we can see this type of the movement, that is thigmotropism. So in creepers and climbers, they have a very soft and weak stems. So they have a very supportive, very good supportive part, that is in the form of a tendrils. So what is a tendril? Tendrils are the thin thread-like structures which are growing on the stems or the leaves of the climbers, mainly, or the creepers, you can say. Creepers mainly they will crawl on the ground. Climbers, they take the support. Mainly we can see in the climbers. So the tendrils are the supportive part. The tendrils are the thin thread-like structures, outgrowth. They are growing on the stem or leaf. So there are two types of tendrils: stem tendril and leaf. The modified leaf or a petiole is nothing but a leaf tendril. The modified stem is nothing but a stem tendril. What is a leaf tendril and stem tendril? The modified leaf is modified into a tendril for the support. And in stem tendril, the stem is modified into tendril. That is nothing but a stem tendril. So tendrils have the special types of cells. Tendrils have special types of cells which can sense their contact like any support. They can they are having the ability contact with nearby any solid support. The solid support might be another plant, or the solid support might be the stick. The solid support, whatever or the building it takes, whatever may be the solid support it takes. So the types of tendrils, stem and leaf tendrils. When these tendrils, when they get the support of any solid substance, these tendrils, they touch towards that part of a solid support and they will curl around it, and the remaining part it grows. So the tendrils becomes the supportive of the plant. See that the tendril, it gives the support to the plant part, and the plant part is growing. So that's the touch, it becomes the stimulus, and the plant part, that is tendril, it is curling around or it is binding towards the support. That is nothing but a response. These tendrils have special types of cells. When they will get in contact with any solid support, they go on binding, they are go on curling around and helps in the growth. The plant part which is showing, which The plant part. See, only tendrils have the ability to touch and wind up the solid support. But other parts, they are not showing any response. So tendrils here becomes the positive thigmotropism, and the other plant part is growing. So that is not winding up towards the solid support. So that becomes the negative thigmotropism. Now we'll go detail about the stem tendril and the leaf tendril. I told earlier that the stem tendril is nothing but a modified stem, and the leaf tendril is nothing but a modified leaf itself. The leaf is modified as a tendril and stem is modified as a tendril. Where we can see these stem tendrils? In which plants we can see the stem tendrils? Mainly bitter, bottlegourd, grapevine. There we can see the examples for the stem tendrils. And the leaf